Here are 100 super science questions in an epic 50-50 trivia. This science trivia is divided into 4 levels: easy, medium, hard, and genius. Warm up your mind, here we go. Do fish use gills to breathe underwater or lungs? Gills. Is the sun mostly made of hydrogen or oxygen? Hydrogen. Do plants absorb carbon dioxide at night or during the day? Day. Does salt water freeze at a lower or higher temperature than fresh water? Lower. Are penguins mammals or birds? Birds. Does the human heart have 5 or 4 chambers? Four. Do bees communicate through sound waves or dance? Dance. Can human eyes detect infrared light, yes or no? No. Do elephants breathe mostly through their trunk or their mouth? Trunk. Do all mammals have hair at some point in their life, yes or no? Yes. Is Earth's surface mostly covered by fresh water or salt water? Salt water. Do snakes have eyelids, yes or no? No. Does sound travel fastest in air or metal? Metal. Can bats see in complete darkness, yes or no? Yes. Do frogs go through metamorphosis, yes or no? Yes. Is the moon moving closer or farther from Earth over time? Farther. Do tarantulas have 8 or 10 legs? Eight legs. Can fire burn in space, yes or no? No. Is the Pacific Ocean deeper or shallower than the Atlantic? Deeper. Is nitrogen or oxygen the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Does the sun set in the east or west? West. Are mushrooms biologically closer to plants or animals? Animals. Do dolphins breathe through gills or lungs? Lungs. Is blood ever blue inside the body, yes or no? No. Can jellyfish survive without a brain, yes or no? Yes. Congratulations, the easy level is over. Now let's move on to the medium level. If you're out, drop a like on the video and get an extra life. Does gravity affect all objects equally regardless of weight, yes or no? Yes. Does the ozone layer protect us from UV radiation or cosmic rays? UV radiation. Are diamonds made of carbon or silicon? Carbon. Is lightning hotter or colder than the surface of the sun? Hotter. Do whales have more or fewer bones in their spine than humans? More. Does metal expand or contract when heated? Expand. Are viruses considered living organisms, yes or no? No. Does Mars have a thinner or thicker atmosphere than Earth? Thinner. Is the speed of light or the speed of sound faster? Speed of light. Do ants have lungs, yes or no? No. Does an astronaut weigh more or less on the moon than on Earth? Less. Can octopuses change color to camouflage, yes or no? Yes. Does ice float because it is less or more dense than water? Less dense. Do all planets in our solar system rotate in the same direction, yes or no? No. Are shark skeletons made of bone or cartilage? Cartilage. Does the Earth's core consist mainly of iron or lead? Iron. Do electric eels generate electricity through muscles or nerves? Nerves. Is the Andromeda Galaxy moving toward or away from the Milky Way? Toward. Do sunflowers follow the sun across the sky, yes or no? Yes. Can human fingernails continue to grow after death, yes or no? No. Is Pluto's orbit circular or elliptical? Elliptical. Do female mosquitoes or male mosquitoes bite humans? Female mosquitoes. Is the sound of thunder caused by lightning or air pressure? Lightning. Can a neutron star be smaller or larger than Earth? Smaller. Do plants grow better in blue light or green light? Blue light. Congratulations, the medium level is over. Now let's move on to the hard level. Can tardigrades survive in space, yes or no? Yes. Do human cells have more bacterial DNA or human DNA? Human DNA. Does dark matter interact with light, yes or no? No. Is the Great Red Spot on Jupiter a storm or a volcano? Storm. Do crocodiles have a four-chambered or three-chambered heart? Four-chambered. Is glass considered a solid or an amorphous solid? Amorphous solid. Does quantum entanglement allow information to travel faster than light, yes or no? No. Is the largest organ in the human body the liver or the skin? Skin. Do sound waves travel in a vacuum, yes or no? No. Does the strong nuclear force act over long or short distances? Short distances. Are there more trees on Earth or stars in the Milky Way? Trees. Can some metals be liquid at room temperature, yes or no? Yes. Does the human eye detect more shades of green or blue? Green. Is Earth's magnetic field generated by its core or crust? Core. Do any known organisms survive without water, yes or no? No. Is a proton made of quarks or leptons? Quarks. Do male seahorses or female seahorses carry the babies? Male. Can a person theoretically survive on just potatoes and butter, yes or no? Yes. Is absolute zero a theoretical limit or a temperature that has been reached? Theoretical limit. Does the universe have more antimatter or matter? Matter. Are cosmic rays mostly made of protons or electrons? Protons. Can DNA be extracted from ancient fossils, yes or no? Yes. Does the Higgs boson give mass or charge to particles? Mass. Do black holes have an actual surface, yes or no? No. Is time dilation a consequence of gravity or temperature? Gravity. Wow. You finished the hard level. Let's move on to genius. Can a magnetic field exist without an electric field, yes or no? Yes. Do axolotls regenerate limbs or internal organs? Limbs. Can neutrinos pass through Earth without being stopped, yes or no? Yes. Is the event horizon of a black hole a physical surface or a boundary? Boundary. Can quantum particles exist in multiple states at once, yes or no? Yes. Are there more atoms in a glass of water or stars in the observable universe? Atoms in a glass of water. Does Earth's rotation speed up or slow down over time? Slow down. Are gravitational waves distortions in spacetime or sound waves in space? Distortions in spacetime. Can tardigrades survive extreme radiation, yes or no? Yes. Is the observable universe expanding at a constant or accelerating rate? Accelerating rate. Can some bacteria survive in the vacuum of space, yes or no? Yes. Is graphene made of a single layer or multiple layers of carbon atoms? Single layer. Do we currently know what dark energy is, yes or no? No. Is the human genome mostly coding or non-coding DNA? Non-coding DNA. Do any known animals use quantum mechanics for navigation, yes or no? Yes. Are heavier elements like gold formed in supernovae or black holes? Supernovae. Can black holes lose mass over time, yes or no? Yes. Is the second law of thermodynamics related to entropy or momentum? Entropy. Are most of the oxygen atoms in our bodies originally from stars or comets? Stars. Do some human cells have more than one nucleus, yes or no? Yes. Is the heaviest naturally occurring element uranium or plutonium? Uranium. Can an object in a vacuum experience air resistance, yes or no? No. Are there more galaxies or planets in the observable universe? Galaxies. Is the cosmic microwave background radiation a remnant of the Big Bang or the Sun? The Big Bang. Can two objects with different masses fall at the same speed in a vacuum, yes or no? Yes. You finished the genius level. Write your result in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for new science trivia.